Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to turn off auto scroll on Twitter or X. Let's get started. First, open your X app in your phone, and here at the top of the home screen, you'll see the two tabs, For You and Following. Tap Following. This shows the tweets only from the people you follow, like a real time, and prevents the timeline from auto refreshing to the top. If auto scroll still happens, try these extra fixes. You can turn off video autoplay. Here, go to the settings and privacy and select accessibility, display, and languages. And here, tap data usage and click video autoplay and tap never. Use list to create a custom feed. Lists don't auto jump like the main timeline. And that's it. By switching the following and adjusting settings, you can stop X from auto scrolling. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.